Hey, Ritch Robin here, Gator Pit, Texas Custom BBQ Pits in Houston. I'm Ritch Robin. I'm the founder and owner of Gator Pit, and I'm going to walk you through a new pit that is rolling out of our shop today. It is shipping going to Tennessee tomorrow. I want to get a quick video of it and show you what it looks like. This is the first party edition with our golf cart kit on it and a lot of other customizations to it. And you're about to see it when I turn this camera around. Bam! Check that out, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Gator Pit Custom. We've got a 1/4-inch wall. Main chamber, 20 inches in diameter, about 4 feet long, 48 inches. We got a square firebox. That is 1/4-inch wall with gas assist. Our heavy duty 1/4-inch thick angle frame fire grate, dial style air intake vents. And it's got the grill ability. Throw you some burgers, steaks, hot dogs, shrimp, kebabs, whatever you want to put on there. You can do it on your firebox, and that tray slides out the side right there. All steel full length front shelf. 48 inches, approximately 48 inches there, and another 19 to 20 inches there. Golf cart kit, check it out, guys. We make our own axles, spindles, and hubs. Assemble all that here, fabricated in our shop, and this is what you get. No washers here. We've got real 2K trailer hubs with grease bearings, seals, pack bearings. All 4 tires, or all 4 wheels, are those 2K trailer hubs to include your steering mechanism right there. We got a T-handle, beefy, heavy duty, 1-inch pipe T-handle. It is also removable. Pull the pin, that pops out. And some people saying, hey, I might can pull that behind my side by side of my ATV. You can. I can do a couple modifications to it. Additional cost, obviously, but we can make this where you can hook it up behind your ATV or your side by side and tow this around your property, the lake, the ranch, the deer lease, the duck lease, whatever you got. Even if you just have a house with a big yard. All right. Commercial Gator Pit gauges, two-door system here. Upper and lower sliding meat racks. There you go. This is packaged to ship. Like I said, it's going out tomorrow. We've got gauges inside, and we have our dial style vents actually packaged in there. 2-inch brass ball valve, D-rings. Get on the back side, tools, our hangers, ash rake fire pokers, our gas assist system, control valve, quick connect. In this case, the guy's got a stainless steel braided hose, 2-inch brass ball valve, badass custom wheels, golf cart wheels, all-terrain tires. Guys, this is kicking ass right here. That's all I got to say. Adjustable smokestack, side access door with a grill ability in there as well. There is a 1/4-inch thick fire grate down there. And these trays do slide and hang in place, guys. This is a badass custom by Gator Pit. Let me close it up, let you look at it again from a distance. See how beautiful this thing is. Check it out. Be the envy of your friends, man. This is it, Gator Pit. Have a pit for life. Get a Gator Pit, man. You want that quality? We are it. Look at that, man. We are it. Nice tight doors. There's no gaps in there. My pits are known for not leaking, guys. Google me. You'll find that out. We're known for no leaky pits. All the heat goes in the chamber and all the smoke goes out the stack. Stainless steel cool touch handles. Flange side doors. Flange firebox door. Cover plate. Look at that quality, man. That's what I'm talking about. Gator Pit, Texas Custom BBQ Pits. I'm Ritch Robin. Give me a call, 713-896-0144. Shoot me an email, info@gatorpit.net, info@gatorpit.net. See you guys. Give me a buzz. See ya.